I hope you enjoyed listening to the story, Year 1. What I'd like you to do now is think about what you found out about Monkey in that story. What do we know about Monkey? We know that the little monkey was very sad because he couldn't find his mum. He was lost. But by the end of the story, he was so happy and pleased that he found his mum. It was such a relief for him. Why do you think the monkey was so happy at the end of the story when he found his mum? I want you to think about your mum now. First of all, I'd like you to think about all the things your mum does for you. You can pause the slide for a few minutes so that you can think about all the things that she does. Okay, Year 1, have you thought about all the things your mum does for you? Do you have a long list? We all know that our mums are very special. They do lots of things for us. Why do you think our mums do so many things for us? If you like, you can draw a picture of your mum now and tell me why she is so special.